Hi, I'm Jack. I'm an alumni from TactLabs. First, I joined as an intern in TactLabs. I got a call through my college. They said about the interview. First, Rajesh interviewed me, and I got selected as a front-end developer. Before going inside TactLabs, I'm not aware of industry standards and technologies. Rajesh sir used to conduct many hackathons that really helped me to get to the insights of certain technologies. During my intern period, I learned a lot about front-end development. I learned about Flask, it's a micro framework, and also I learned about Docker. And finally, I learned about Vue.js, it's a front end framework to create web applications. During the intern period, I also learned about backend, how it works, and I got an opportunity to learn how website works on the backend code. And I also got an opportunity to work in both front end and back end to create a full stack web application. That project really changed my skills. I learned a lot about both full stack development. In Tech Labs, I learned how our industry works and how a leader must lead others. Also it taught me how to handle the pressure and to work simultaneously. Finally, I thank Roger sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity that changed my life during this course of uh, this intern that really taught me many skills that really changed me. Thank you.